I'm a 35 years old former YouTuber who found success till 2018, when my channel got terminated. Demotivated, I tried to recover but failed. Last year, I embarked on a journey to regain my status, and I must admit YouTube changed a lot since then, making me fail many times. After analyzing my mistakes, I've realized why YouTube's algorithm hates me, and in this video I'm sharing some tips which can change its perceptions. So stick around, because tip number 5 will absolutely blow you.
So, tip number 1. Publishing random content is an absolute no-no if you are serious about growing your YouTube channel. Trust me on this one. I did it and failed multiple times. Randomness won't take you far in this game. If you want to keep your viewers hooked and coming back for more, you gotta tap into their preferences and pain points. Get into their heads, understand what makes them tick, and create content that speaks directly to them. Let's jump to tip number 2. Design thumbnails that user will want to click. Picture this scenario. You are standing in a store looking at 2 packets of chips. One packet has a plain design with no attractive elements, while the other packet has vibrant colors, catchy graphics and appealing fonts. Which one would you choose? Most likely 90 of us would go for the second package. The reason behind this choice is simple. It's all about packaging. This analogy applies to the world of YouTube as well. Just like in a store, packaging matters on YouTube. Your video thumbnail's title and overall presentation needs to grab viewers' attention. If your packaging isn't enticing enough, you will struggle to attract an audience. Therefore, it's crucial not to overlook the importance of visually appealing and clickable packaging. Now let's see tip number 3. A weak intro. Listen up, because this is where you set the stage for success or failure. Your intro is the make or break moment that determines whether viewers stick around or swipe away. So here's the deal, you've got a precious few seconds to make a lasting impression. Don't waste them. Craft a strong intro that captures your audience's interest and give them a compelling reason to keep watching. Keep it snappy, fast-paced and captivating. Don't let it drag on and bore your viewers before they even begun. Let's dive into mistake number 4. Failing to deliver on your promise. Pay close attention, my fellow YouTubers, because this is where trust and credibility are on the line. You always want to lead with value and ensure that you deliver what you've promised to your viewers. When you deliver on your promise, you build trust and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Your viewers will appreciate the value you provide and keep coming back for more. Having successfully reached this point, let's now address my final crucial tip: understanding how YouTube works. This is where I get it all wrong. I believe that all I need is for YouTube to recommend my videos more, and voila, I will magically grow. But my friends, I've learned that's not how it works. You see, YouTube's recommendation system is smarter than we think. It aims to serve content that hits the bullseye of the right target audience. The more people respond, interact and engage with your content, the more YouTube learns about who your videos are the perfect fit for. When viewers show love by liking, commenting, subscribing and sharing your content, it sends a clear signal to YouTube that your videos are a hit with a particular audience.
Okay, yeah, I get it.